Good morning, everyone. My name is Preeti, and today's my topic is PT. PT, I told you, is always there. It will never goes away from our mind till we have a blood in our body or till we have breathing. So I want to tell you, the people who are short tempered, they get angry at a very small things. They get angry at a very small thing. They are always worrying about everything and don't listen to anyone. They can get violent about every small thing due to their anger. So their parents, friends, and relatives are always constantly worrying over them and always trying to shut them down. But it is not that easy, you know. When they lose their senses due to their anger issues, it can be dangerous for their lives. A research also come when you are short tempered, you are mostly likely to suffer heart attacks in your lives. Mind you, but these things are all true. The angry people are always in angry mood. Everybody knows that. You know they don't deserve anybody's pities because of very small things. They get annoyed. If you oppose their demands, they may be polite for a moment, but when their demands are not met, they get angry. They become so angry. So there is no question of showing pity on them. Suppose somebody asks you for give me 500 rupees and you are not in the position to give him 500 rupees. So you will just deny him, but that person will get annoyed. So you see the tolerance are not there. A pity will always or will never go away as long as you are alive. I told you in last time too, it suits on your feelings. It gives your energy in your life. Or likewise, you know, it is only because of pity we are living a very hard life, you know. Take an instance of a soldier who are working continuously every day, whether it's a hot or a cold outside, and they have to practice no matter if it's raining or not. Because it's a rule of a army, or they have to bear all the things to protect our country, to save us, to protect us. These soldiers will protect us no matter what the situation is. They had to take a bullet for us, whereas we all are staying and at home, laughing and enjoying our life. Whenever we hear anything about the bravery of our soldiers and what they had sacrificed for us, we feel pity for them, their families, members who had lost their child. A pity will never goes away from our mind. It makes you feel strong and you feel very energetic. And now in India we are talking about talking that our life is much harder, but many people are there whose life is more harder than us. Let us take an example of a mines, especially a coal mines. Laborers are working in a very high temperature. Of what type of the condition he was living at that time, and they suffer many problems in their life. Or we see the harsh condition of these people, we feel pity on them. Now let's talk about sports like cricket and football. The player of these game will work too hard and practice a lot to win the matches, but when they lose the match, we start trolling them instead of appreciating them. So for these, they should feel bad, and that is the game of only hard work and practice. Only hard work and practice, and we should appreciate them instead of making fun of them. Now our society is divided into two parts. This is richer one and the poorer one. The rich people did not work hard because they have so many things to fulfill their demands. Even their children did not work hard for doing their work. They keep on going excuses for not doing work. On the other hand, poor people on the other hand, they suffer many problems due to their poor condition. Even their children have suffered so much because they can't do anything. They have nothing in their hands. They have to work to support their families. They work to 18 to 19 hours in a day in a dangerous conditions. They work so hard for their studies at night, and they can't take a rest because they have also a dream like us, and uh, and want to achieve their goals. So whenever we see these poor people struggling to for living their life, you we should feel for the condition of each and every person instead of making fun for their families. So in last, I want to tell you, pity is inherited from your blood. It is a natural process. So thank you everyone.